nice though.
Yeah, it is.
It looks really good. We'll add the Race Bred sticker to the back, Carlos. Might as well.
On the glass?
On the glass, yeah. Yeah, you guys, so that's what's going on. We're just preparing everything right now, and I'll keep you guys updated through the video, and we'll get it started. All right? Much love and blessings. Skylyfe.
Big time, no nine. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me. I don't need.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while. I feel like I say that almost every video, but hey, we back now. I was sick, yo. I was sick. I was out for a while. I was having back issues. I was working a lot of overtime, trying to get that money, you know, for the Type R build. So it's a lot of work. My job is a lot of work, but you guys, hope you guys are doing good, staying super blessed. Please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, we can have a discussion. But in today's video, we're actually over here at car show Adams Polishes, and yeah, that's what we're doing here today. But here's what's going on with the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. You guys, I have the fuel injectors. They're actually in the box with the turbo, the MHI Stage 2 turbo. Those are here. Probably wondering what's with the Race Bred splitter. Well, actually, I have the Race Bred splitter. It's in the garage right now, but the hardware is actually still missing. So that's actually being delivered today from FedEx. I was like, yo, how long is it gonna take for you guys to give me my hardware? You know what I mean? And we're looking at about now 10 weeks total for the whole kit, everything, hardware, splitter, to, you know, to be delivered. So yeah, with all that being said, the splitter is right up on the wall against the garage. The hardware is being delivered today, so we'll get that thing finally put on. And then ordering the fuel pump actually this next paycheck, so Friday. That's $1,600, that's brand new. I have the low pressure fuel pump on order as well from the DW300. So yes, you guys, it's all coming together full circle. I know it's taking some time. I know I've been super busy, but I didn't want to wait any longer. Wanted to update you guys, and that's what's going on here in today's video. So I'll take you around in the car show. First of all, obviously we'll show the R. It's all its glory. Keep in mind this is the stock turbo right now with the stock fuel, but that's changing real soon with the MHI Stage 2. Everybody that's new to the channel, say what's up, leave a comment. Love you guys. Thank you for all your support. We're over, I believe we're over 330 subscribers. I haven't checked in a while, to be honest, but I appreciate your guys' support and everything like that. So just got some cars here. This is a Lexus, I believe, right? Wide kitted. I'm not sure. I'm not very good with Lexus, but I believe it's an IS300. I could be wrong. I don't know. Got an Audi here. Looks like A4, A6 maybe. Yeah. Over here, new Cadillac. Sick. It's beautiful. Love the paint. Oh yeah, it's got the carbon fiber venting right there. Okay. got a vet, lots of vets. There's a lot of vets in AZ, y'all. They have like a whole group together. But Mustang. Okay. There's a DTI there. K24 SI, right? Yep, definitely. There's not a lot going on over here. Here's a Mercedes V8 turbo. Okay. Reese, you want to say what's up, man?
Yo, what's good?
This is, I just met him today, you guys. This is Reese. This is his car.
Nice to meet you.
Yep. And you want to tell the channel what you've been doing with this car, man? This build, what's going on with it?
All right, so I bought it. It's a 2005 Honda Civic Si E3 K22 equivalent JDM K24A swap. Has RSX headers, full custom exhaust, the spoon catback. It's got Honda K Pro, making about 205 wheel. This thing's fun. It's a torquey daily, and I love it. So,
congratulations, guys. Remember, he's 17. This is his second car, I believe he told me. So that's really good. I'm on my like 14th, something like that. I don't even remember, but a lot of projects over the years, and yeah, cool, man. Well, thanks for sharing your ride, bro. There you go. Much love and blessings, man. So we're just walking over here. Not trying to shake the camera. More vets. Looks like a BMW. Okay. E3, I believe. Some old ones. Supra. V58 and the new Supra. It's green. Yeah, GR Supra. There you go. Remember green, right? Yeah. Cool. Some vets. There's Adam's polishes over there. I believe we're a little bit early here today. More cars are pulling up, but I don't know. You never know what these kind of car shows. It's cars and coffee, so yeah. Well, you guys, if I do any more interviews or anything, I'll keep you guys updated on the channel. But really, this is just me finally coming out after being sick for so long. Flu, it's crazy, bro. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Much love and blessings. Skylyfe, let's go. All right, y'all. As I said, we got another interview. Want to say what's up to the channel, man?
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Gino. My Instagram is scos_FLS.
I'll throw it up right here. All right. Tell us about your build, bro. What is it? What's it about? What's your plans for it? Things like that.
Yeah, so the original plan when I bought this car was to track race it. Before this, I had a Focus RS, you know, the notorious head gasket blew through a rod. So I was like, you know what, I want to buy a reliable car where I could make some good power, not worry about it blowing up. So I decided on, I specifically bought this car to LS swap it. So this is a 13 Scion FRS. It's got a Chevy LS2, stock long block. It's got a fast 102 intake manifold, Sicky headers, Sicky swap kit. It's got a TR6060 out of a 2010 Camaro. It's a 1LE, so it's got the provisions for the trans cooler.
You guys, he has a lot to talk about here.
Yeah, obviously. There is so much done to this car that I could go on forever.
Wow,
it's got a build, monster twin disc clutch. It's got a chrome moly drive shaft that's custom made by a shop up in Illinois. It's got a 02 IS300 rear end with 373 gears, so it's got a better gearing.
Yeah.
It's on Fortune Auto FA510s. Bunch of the, yeah. It's on Enki NT03. It's got Stop Tech big brake kit front and rear. Dual 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back, so the exhaust is by far the lowest part of this car.
Yeah. Let's go check out the rear real quick, bro.
Yeah, it's got a Jackson Racing radiator with an integrated oil cooler.
So you guys, this is a full build, okay?
It's full build,
so
full interior. Also,
build.
I'll show you the interior real quick. Full interior.
Man, that's beautiful.
Yeah, so it's got the wiring specialties harness with the E38 GM ECM.
Look at the back though. Varus wing, yep.
Varus wing, custom center exit exhaust.
Center exit exhaust, custom.
Driveway.
How do you say that word? I can never pronounce this word.
Acroptic or acropic. Honestly, I bought the tips off Amazon, and it's a custom exhaust up to the tips. So
it's beautiful, bro.
Valenti tails.
That's nice. Congratulations, man. It's a beautiful build.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, bro. Follow me on IG. I'll follow you back. All right?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
All right,
nice
brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. I did want to show you this real quick, you guys. These are the Federal 595 RSRs, and these are going to be for the track, canyon carving, everything like that. Got all 4 tires, I think, for like $440, $460, which is a crazy deal. And these are very grippy. Obviously, they're going to be super loud, though, right? Because there's no middle tread here. So those are going to be super loud. Also wanted to go over this. I have this right here, okay? The PTP turbo, PTP inlet turbo wrap, and yeah, that's right here. This is for sale, okay? Obviously not gonna use that anymore. And then I got these floor mats as well, because LASFIT sponsored me, so I'm using their mats. I have the mat skis available for sale, all 4. So yeah, hit me up if you guys want those, and yeah, let's continue with the video. All right, y'all, just got back home. Just wanted to show you, here's the Race Bred splitter. Okay, hardware should be here hopefully in an hour or so. It's about time. And these are, excuse me, the 1350cc FK8 TD fuel injectors. I'm obviously going to leave them wrapped up, but you can clearly see them right there. That's 2 of them, and then the other 2 are right here. So they're here, brand new. Obviously they're all wrapped up and everything. Took them out of the little envelope that came in, but yeah, so those are there. Probably gonna bring those back inside, not let them sit on the garage. But other than that, now we're just waiting for the XDI fuel pump, the high flow pressure fuel pump, and the DW300 as well. So yeah, sorry you guys, it's been a bit, but yeah, this was another video. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings to everybody. Stay tuned, we got a lot more coming up. Hopefully, you know, work will die down a little bit. I'll be able to work less overtime and everything like that, but for right now, it is what it is. And we'll see, you know, what happens. Just everybody, you know, count your blessings. And until next video, guys, I'll keep everybody updated. I should be able to upload again this week coming up. So won't be another 2 weeks of waiting. We'll see what happens. But all right, guys, until next time, Skylyfe, let's go.